Looking for budget earphones with powerful sound that won't break the bank? Today, I've got something really interesting for you, the KZ EDX Pro HiFi in-ear earphones. These earphones are designed for music lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants clear, powerful audio at an affordable price. First, let's talk about the sound quality. The KZ EDX Pro comes with a 10mm dual magnetic dynamic driver, which delivers deep bass, clear vocals, and balanced stereo sound. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or gaming, the audio feels rich and immersive. Another great feature is the noise-isolating in-ear design. It helps block out background noise so you can focus on your music or gameplay without distractions. In terms of specs, the earphones have an impedance of 24 ohms and a sensitivity of 112 dB, which means they're easy to drive with your phone, laptop, or tablet while still delivering powerful sound. You also get a wide frequency range from 10 Hz to 20 kHz, so you can hear everything from deep bass to crisp highs. The 1.25-meter cable is comfortable for daily use, and the 2-pin 0.75mm detachable cable design means you can replace or upgrade the cable later if you want, a feature usually found in more expensive earphones. And of course, the 3.5mm jack makes it compatible with most smartphones, laptops, and audio devices. Now here's the best part. Right now, the KZ EDX Pro is available for only $2.04, down from the original price of $5.42, which is about 62% off. If you want to grab this deal, click the link in the description below to buy before the discount ends. If you enjoyed this quick tech review, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and gadget deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.